Remember I said I trimmed the tomatoes all the way down and just kept what had flowers on it? Well, check this out. I have found a little tomato starting. So I might get one tomato. That's what I see. Checking the other ones. I may get 2 tomatoes. This is all from cutting it down. This literally just happened because I check this every day. Every day I check the tomato plants. So, oh wait, this might be another one. That might be starting one. Well, it doesn't have anything. What about this one? Nope. That looks empty, but it looks like I might get a green tomato or 2. I'm okay with 2. I'm okay with 1. I'll make myself fried green tomatoes. I know you can pull them and have them ripen on the thing, but by the time I don't know how fast they'll grow. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm kind of stoked about that, actually. Kind of shocked.